Hey, what's up everybody? It's Joyce here. Today's video will be about ClickBank. If you're an affiliate or just started to venture yourself in the affiliate marketing world, you must have heard about ClickBank. If you haven't, then pay attention to this video because I'll be telling you what ClickBank is, how does ClickBank work, and how you can start making money with ClickBank. Also, I share with you what has proven to be the best program for me and is helping me in my affiliate marketing journey. So pay close attention, watch till the end, and let's get started. So what is ClickBank? ClickBank is what we affiliates call an affiliate network or a marketplace. Why? Because ClickBank is a place where product or service creators of various niches get to sell their digital products or services. ClickBank acts as a safe intermediate between affiliates and vendors, or we can call affiliate partners. And like I mentioned in this video, your affiliate partners should have certain characteristics. And when you promote digital products as an affiliate, you can be sure to be paid a really handsome percentage of affiliate commission, as creating digital products involve a very low overhead cost compared to physical products. Now, let's see how does ClickBank work. You should know for any business to grow successful, they require more customers, recurring sales to those customers, and high ticket sales. And to acquire more customers, companies invest hundreds of thousands of dollars on ads. So instead of spending huge amount of money on ads, they create affiliate programs, and they host their affiliate programs on affiliate networks like ClickBank to sell their already created products or services through affiliate marketers. And ClickBank not only acts as a bridge between these vendors and affiliates, it also takes care of everything for the vendors. I'm talking about payment processor, the chargebacks, affiliate commissions, allocation, payment of affiliates, all these stuffs. And of course, they charge a little fee, which is 7.5% and $1 per sale. So let me show you an example for you to better understand. So let's say you as a vendor, you have a product of $500. So 7.5% of $500 will be $37.5. And when you add the $1 per sale, it becomes $38.5. So every time you are going to sell this $500 product, ClickBank is going to get $38.50. And let's say you give 50% commission, you're going to take what's left and divide it by 2. And you're going to get half, as well as the affiliate will get half. And as an affiliate, the way you actually get paid are through check, direct deposit, wire transfer if your country does not have the traditional direct deposit, or use of Payoneer, all right? Payoneer, which is an international money transfer service. Now, even though you can create a free account with ClickBank, its biggest disadvantage is that it is not available in every country in the world. That is, as an affiliate, you can't be paid via check, direct deposit, or even wire transfer. Thus, the use of Payoneer has helped many. So if you live in a country that is not recognized in ClickBank's payment method, an example is the country I live in, which is Mauritius, you can actually create a Payoneer account and connect that to your ClickBank account. All right. So now that you have found out what ClickBank is all about and how it works, let's see what's inside of ClickBank. Okay. So if you don't have an account, right, you can actually create one by clicking on the sign up button here. And once you click on your sign up button, you just have to fill in the information, all right in here, and click continue to terms and conditions. Like, you read the terms and conditions, and after reading, you join your ClickBank. Now, when all is said and done, you will have a dashboard like this. You will be presented to a screen like this, right? And the first thing you need to do is to go to your accounts. And here you click on create an account. All right. Now, your account type will be affiliate if you want to promote products, or a vendor if you want to sell your products or services. But for this video, we're going to go with affiliates. All right. And yeah, so click on affiliates and insert your nickname here. and follow these instructions and click on sign up. Right, so I have already created my nickname here, so I'm going to click on this nickname. You will next be directed to a screen like this. Okay, so this will be your dashboard. You will be receiving a confirmation email, so you go ahead and confirm the email you used to actually sign up with your ClickBank. And the next thing you need to do right now is to go onto account settings. So here you will have your information, that is address, contact information, and all that. So I'm going to blur this screen. What you need to do is to actually go down. All right, and can you see that here, payment information? This is where you need to go. So click on edit, and this is where you choose your payment information. What you need to do is first thing, like select your payment threshold, and if you don't have, like your country is not recognized, like you can't be paid via check, direct deposit, and etc., do this direct deposit. All right, and select when do you want to be paid, and put your country, bank country. Now, if your country is not listed in here, right? If your country is not listed in here, like I mentioned before, go ahead, create your payoneer account, and once done, you can actually link your payoneer in here. All right, so once you complete that, you're all set up. Now, what I just showed you is missed by many people, so make sure you actually do the first thing. You create your ClickBank account. Okay, next, to start making money, let's go to the marketplace of ClickBank. So you can actually click marketplace here, or click marketplace, affiliate marketplace here. It's the same. Once in the marketplace, you're going to find categories here. Yes, they have a lot of programs and different types of niches that you can choose to promote. In my case, I am an affiliate marketer, and I'm in affiliate marketing and make money online niche. So my category falls in e-business and e-marketing. Here, look here, when I click on the drop down menu, like I have lots of category, like a lot of options to choose from. All right, so I can actually niche down by clicking these options, or click in here to actually get a broad idea, broad product in this category. Okay, and let me choose actually an example. So let me go with health and fitness. All right, so you can actually click on the drop down menu here, okay, to like pick up a specific product, or select the broad category itself by clicking here. All right, and as you can see, there are a lot of product. All right, like a total of 94 pages. And we have to actually select one product that can actually make you money. And I will actually show you how. Now, when you get in here, all right, go on sort results by, not rank, but by gravity. All right, the higher the gravity of your product, the more sales this product is getting through affiliates. So a product with a higher gravity gives you a good interpretation of the product you would want to promote. There are other factors you can have a look here, and it is like initial conversion or recurring rebill. All right, and if you look at the gravity, it's over 400, which is really good. And this product is actually a hot product that is being promoted by a lot of affiliates and making sales. So this type of product that having this type of gravity, you know that you are going to make money if you promote it. All right, now you can actually have a look at other products with high gravity too. And like, you know, affiliate marketing, it's all about testing what is working for you. All right, and rejecting what is not working for you. So you need to test out. All right, so I will take this first product as an example for this video. So when you actually click on this link here, you will be directed to the sales page. All right, so there is a video, and I believe like when you watch the video, it will explain like how this product has actually helped melt 54 pounds of fat. So, and you will be directed towards a sales page. So this is what a sales page looks like, all right, for this product. And it's actually working, as it shows that the gravity that is people, affiliates are actually making sale with that. Next is the affiliate page here. So when you click on that, you will be directed towards a page here. So you need to make sure that they do have an affiliate page, because this affiliate page is where you will actually know more about the product, like how you can actually market it. And if we have a look, all right, you can actually generate your hop links here, and basically instructions how to generate it, all right, and what to do before promoting. Please be aware of promotional guidelines. So you have guidelines, all right. You even have email swipes and tracking pixel and resources. So affiliate pages are really, really important. You also have commission structure, all right. How are you going to get paid with the commission of this program, all right? So always look at the affiliate page of the product you want to promote on ClickBank. Okay, so once you have decided on the product you want to promote, all right, let's say this one, I want to promote this one, I click on promote, all right? And here you will actually have to put your account nickname, okay? And the tracking ID, which is optional, you can actually put an ID. Let's say you're going to promote this very affiliate link on different platforms. So you, with the tracking ID, you will know that from where you're getting sales, like from where you're getting clicks. Okay, so I'm going to select my affiliate, my account nickname. Let's say for the ID, I click on FB group, all right? And I click on generate hop links. So this link right here will be my affiliate link. Now, if you look at this link, the link is really long and ugly, and you can actually shorten this link, all right? And I will show you how. So many people actually have websites, all right? They can use their domain name to shorten this ugly looking link, or I will show you how to do it, all right, by using a link shortener. So you click on copy, all right? You go onto bit.ly, bit.ly, all right? And you create a free account. It is free to create. And once you create your free account, you click on create and you enter your ugly looking link here and you click on create, all right? And once you get in here, you can see that there are numbers. Like here is the link will appear like this. So let's say for this example, you can like the product, like what the product's called, Okinawa. All right. So I'm gonna say Joyce Okinawa. All right. My name is Joyce. So Joyce Okinawa. All right. So when I share this link, this is actually my affiliate link, and this is how you shorten your long, ugly looking link. Okay, now comes the best part of making money with ClickBank. Okay, for this section, I will be giving you super simple and actionable steps, all right? And I don't actually go into much details about a particular strategy because I didn't want this video to be super lengthy, as I have already created a video series explaining how to do affiliate marketing the right way, okay? And you can actually find the video series here, and I'll also leave the link in the description box. But on this video, all right, I'll give you all the general framework, important tips and tricks that most affiliates don't know, all right? So first thing to start promoting as an affiliate and make money, and this is what I actually wished I knew when I first started, is number one, is to choose a publishing platform, all right? A publishing platform where you will attract people to you. In this platform, you will be publishing contents and grow as an authority. The platform can be blogging, using social media such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or do YouTube videos. By the way, I created a video on how I made money on Facebook right here with a small friend list that you can watch later, all right? I'll also leave the link in the description, all right? My advice for beginners all right, is to not choose a platform because someone is telling you to, not to try and publish in every platform out there, but to actually choose one platform where you will be the most comfortable being consistent, and to not be bored publishing contents on that particular platform. All right. Number two is niching down your contents. The further you niche down, the specific will be the people you will be able to serve. This is something I am doing. Since I'm in the wealth market, I'm creating contents on make money online, and I chose affiliate marketing. You will find affiliate marketing on Facebook, ClickBank, and so on. Right? I'm creating contents about that. Now, you can do affiliate marketing for teenagers or for stay-at-home dads. You know, like you go deeper. However, don't be afraid to create content, okay? I've mentioned it before and I'll mention it again. After choosing an evergreen market like the health, wealth, or relationship, you will notice that people are trying to get away from pain and move towards pleasure. So creating contents about showing them the path will definitely help you grow more successful, okay? And number three is to capture their email address. This is done so that you can actually make sure you're able to keep in touch with people who are interested in your contents and they get value from you. And at the same time, this actually increases the know, like, and trust factor so that when you recommend something to them, aka an affiliate product, they will buy later. So for this, you will require an email autoresponder or an email automation software that sends email automatically. I use ActiveCampaign because it is a very robust software. If you want me to make more videos explaining how to use ActiveCampaign, let me know in the comments below. I would really love to know and help you with that. And guys, I hope you have seen the power of affiliate marketing. All right. On July 2019, I started on this path after resigning from my mechanical engineering job. I had nothing, okay? But I knew affiliate marketing was going to help me online. And it was this business model. Affiliate marketing is this business model with the least resistance to start with. I invested in myself and I did what was explained in those books, all right? I followed the courses that I bought, I purchased and read books. And I was able to actually pay my debts. And now I'm doing this to pay the debts of my parents. If there's one platform I have to recommend to people who want to start learning affiliate marketing the right way, then it will be to start with a 15-day challenge. This challenge actually costs $7, right? It's not for everybody, but it's only for those who are actually serious. And $7 is like the price of 2 cappuccinos at Starbucks. Now, this challenge will help you create a sustainable long-term business with affiliate marketing. I would really appreciate it if you could get it on the link below. I left the link below this video on the description, all right? I will receive a small commission, and this is what helped me, all right? This is what helped pays for the effort and time I put forward to creating contents like this. Now, with what I'm recommending, I was actually able to make $1,000, and this $1,000 alone brought me a lot of help. So don't be like the rest of the crowd who watch the video and do nothing. Okay, take action by getting access on the link I left in the description box, or binge watch the videos I created to actually help you understand affiliate marketing better, right? If you have any sort of questions or videos you would like me to make, shoot them in the comments below, okay? And don't forget to actually give this video a thumbs up, all right? This will actually support me. And do subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos. All right, so this is Joyce Meettoo signing out. Take care. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.